Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq, with daily insight on the Nasdaq 100 index for January 16th, or what we call the NDX. It's made up of the 100 of the largest domestic and international non-financial innovative companies listed right here on the Nasdaq stock market. The NDX has been the barometer for U.S. large cap growth and also one of the best performing indexes over the last decade and a half. Let's take a look at our first chart of the day as the Nasdaq 100 hits another all-time intraday high, trading at around 90.93, or up about 0.6%. That's building on momentum after the signing of the Phase 1 trade deal between the U.S. and China yesterday. Also amid the pledge by Beijing to purchase at least an additional $200 billion worth of U.S. farm products and other goods and services over 2 years. Now, the Nasdaq 100 semiconductor companies like Western Digital, Micron, Qualcomm, Lam Research, AMD, Xilinx, they're all outperforming on strong guidance from Apple chip supplier TSM, that's Taiwan Semi. On the flip side, shares of Tesla are lower by more than 3% after an analyst at Morgan Stanley downgraded it to underweight from equal weight, saying that we think investors will be presented with more attractive opportunities to own the stock in the future. The analyst said that in a research report. Recall that Tesla has come off an incredible run since those June lows. Now, after the close today, the Nasdaq 100 constituent CSX, it's a railroad company engaged primarily in freight transport in the southeast, east, and midwest regions of the U.S., will report earnings. Analysts expect revenues to be in line with a beat on earnings. We'll see what happens after the close. From the Nasdaq market site in New York City, I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq.